If you're encountering a design upload error on Redbubble, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and successfully upload your designs. Step 1. Check file format. Ensure that your design is in an acceptable file format. Redbubble typically supports PNG, JPG, and GIF formats. If your file is in a different format, convert it to one of these supported types. Step 2. Verify file size. Make sure your design file size does not exceed Redbubble's maximum limit. The maximum file size for uploads is usually around 300 MB. If your file is larger, reduce its size using an image editing tool. Step 3. Adjust image resolution. Check the resolution of your design. Redbubble recommends a resolution of at least 300 dpi for optimal quality. If your image is of low resolution, increase it using an image editing software to avoid upload errors. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser cache can cause issues with uploads. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try uploading your design again. Step 5. Try a different browser. If the issue persists, switch to a different web browser. Sometimes compatibility issues can arise with specific browsers. Using an alternative browser may resolve the upload error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the design upload error on Redbubble. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Redbubble support for further assistance.